Today I'm going to be installing the GritShift headlight switch in 10 easy steps, maybe 12. First thing we want to do is remove our battery. Breaker switch off. Battery out. I like to use these to remove the battery cover and pull. Simple as that. Enters the cup. All right, we got our battery cover off. Let's take this bad boy apart. All right, let's open her up. See her innards. All right, this controls our two brake sensors and our headlight. All right, we got her all exposed. Now, I personally am over the brake sensors. Get rid of those. I'm hopefully going to utilize these to set up an active brake light. Here is our headlight. There we are. So again, brake sensors, headlight, speedometer, and horn, eco, and sport mode controls. These are my brake sensors. Let's get this thing hooked up. Plug and play. Headlight. Here's the headlight. Voila. Simple as that. Now we got to get this back in there. So, slide this up. See if we can fit that all in there as deep as possible. Now I'm going to seal this up. All right, so that's nicely covered. Time to pack all these back in there. These have the shortest amount of wire, so I'm putting those in last. This, definitely longest, so I'm gonna try and stuff this up in there. I'm gonna grab my brake sensors, which I plan to use so they actually light up when you hit them. But for now, we're gonna tuck those back in there and away. And horn and eco switch. Make sure I got enough room. Looks crowded right here, huh? Oh, bummer. All right, guys, when I was cranking this down, I went a little too hard and I cracked it. So, do not do what I did. I think it's pretty good, just finger tight, if you will, maybe a little past. All right, it's all back together. We have clearance. Let's test this out. All right, we got our battery in, hooked up. Make sure our breaker's on. Switch on, light. Switch off. It's working. Nice. All right, let's get the battery cover back on. And that is how you install your GritShift headlight switch.